Hey guys, it's Freesia from Tarte Cosmetics and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be creating a Taurus inspired makeup look, so if you want to see what I come up with, then just keep watching. I already have on my base and eyebrows, but when you fill in your brows, make sure they're a little darker and more dramatic than usual. Now I'm going to move on to contouring using our Tarteist Pro Glow palette, and I'm going to take the shade Sculpt and contour my entire face. You want your contour also to be dramatic for this look, so I'm just gonna zoom you guys in. I'm moving right along to highlight, and I'm taking the same palette and I'm just gonna dip my brush into these two shades. Because the Taurus kettle is generally burnt orange, I thought that using our Tartelette Toasted palette was perfect for this look because, you know, it's super warm and they have all those burnt orange shades. I'm just going to take Warmth all over the lid. I'm also going to take that same shade and put that on my lower lash line. Now taking the shade Simmer right here, I'm also going to pack this into my lid, but more so in the inner portion. I'm also going to drag that down onto my lower lash line. Using an angled brush, I'm taking Crackle up here, and I'm gonna create like a wing, but a smoked out wing. So you want to have a blending brush on hand because we're gonna build and then blend and then build and then blend. I'm just gonna add a few coats of our Maneater mascara, and this is actually probably my favorite mascara. Now moving on to the fun part, I'm going to take our Chrome Paint Shadow Pot in Martini and put that on my lash line. Once we have that, we can finally go on to the fun white detailing, and I'm using our Clay Pot waterproof liner in white. Here I've added 5 little dots under my brow bone, so we're gonna start with that. They don't really have to be perfect, so don't stress out about it. And moving on to the nose now, I am gonna load up my brush with this first, and I'm gonna create 3 little stripes across my nose bridge. And now I'm adding a line between my brow bone. Isn't this so cool? To top off this look, I'm taking the shade Manbun in our Tarteist Creamy Matte Lip Paint. That's a wrap for today's look. Thank you so much for watching, and please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this just as much as I do. I kind of want to wear this out in public. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe because we're pumping out content all the time for you guys and you want to stay updated. That's all I have for today, so I'll see you in the next one.